the Joker. I've never tried a Joker look. I literally, this was like last minute and stuff, so I'm looking at my palettes. I have a lot of, I'm gonna use this BHCOSMETICS Nirvana. I have 2 of the palettes here, and I'll use like the greens. They don't really have purple. The other one does, but I do have other like makeup palettes that I know I can finesse to match up with the colors and everything. But yeah, this is the inspiration that I'm going off of, is this one, versus me painting my face white and doing like, I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. But I will spray color my hair green. Oh gosh, I had to go to 2 different Targets just to find this, because the first one didn't have it. I went to the second one, they had an abundance of it, but they didn't have the silly string. And you'll see why later, why I got the silly string. But in the meantime, we're gonna do this makeup. I never changed the color of my brows before, so this should be fun. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I just hope I gave myself enough time to do it. At first I didn't want to be Joker. Joy was like, I should be Joker, because as soon as I pointed out that I had that purple vest jacket, the velvet jacket, she was like, yeah, Joker, I should be Joker this year. Because I wasn't going to dress up, I wasn't going to do none of that. I was going to be chill this year. I was going to be extra chill this year. Okay. Is it coming up? I hope it's coming up all right. By the way, as you can see, this is natural daylight, which means I'm about to go outside in natural daytime looking like this. So I'm nervous, but I don't know, for real. Honestly, once it's all done, I'm definitely gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna terrorize my coworkers. I'm gonna terrorize their ass. It's gonna be fun. Joker is unhinged, which means his brows is unhinged. I'm trying to do like a little curve. Well, maybe y'all can see the vision more than I can right now. Hopefully. I can't take too much time. I already feel like I've taken a lot of time. I think y'all see the vision. I'm starting to see the vision. Oh my god. Yo. Oh gosh. Okay. I don't know if my eyes are deceiving me right now. I feel like I need to add a little purple. Let's see. Okay, I got my old BHCOSMETICS palette. Y'all see that row of purples? Let me see, because this is where, yeah, those other shades was too red. We gotta pop out with the Oh man. Let's do dark gray. Really dark gray. Let's see. Yeah, my inspiration was that photo, but it's not giving that photo. Which honestly, I don't want to copy somebody's like full look. I would rather allow it to just be inspiring, because I do want to do that. Like I said before, I didn't want to paint my whole face white. I still wanted to at least somewhat look like myself. I didn't want to get too caught up in the idea of really looking like Joker, if that makes sense. So okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Of course, Nyx, can't stop, won't stop. In the shade Mocha. I'm just using a little. Okay, it's coming together. This looks good though. I'm rocking with it. I have to use this black. And hopefully I can find my red lipstick. But the red lipstick that I have, it's a matte red. So I'm gonna have to use some gloss. Here. That vibe that I got some wounds. Oh, my sister gonna be like, oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. What I'm gonna do is darken this red, put some red on my lips. How does that look? A little up here, a little brown up here. Reapply the stitches. Reapply the stitches. feel like I'm having a little too much fun, but I guess that's the point. I'm gonna use these lashes from Dollar Tree. Lashes are done. With the leather pants, my black silk top. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? I'm scared to spray my hair. Y'all, oh my gosh. I'ma do another round of setting spray because ooh, child. I'm thinking if I should leave it like that and then go like that, or have them both unbuttoned. Do y'all see the vision? Now that I put the outfit on, I see the vision. Oh wow, okay. I'm in my bathroom. I have the shirt on, but I'm scared. I don't want it to mess up. I've never did this before, so we're gonna see. It says shake very well. Ooh, jeez. Oh my God. Ooh, maybe I should do this shit outside. Oh, hold up. Oh my God. Jesus. This shit's killing me. All right, let's do this outside. Ooh, I see the green already. Okay, this. Is the color showing up for real? Oh, there we go. It's working. It's working. Okay. Finito. All done. And it's empty. Maybe I should have bought two. How do I look though, y'all? I really can't tell. Let's see. I hope y'all can see it. I feel like it gives the vision. I really didn't want to put too much of this stuff in my hair, for real. Because I already know when I come home, I'm going to have to really wash this stuff out. And Lord, please let this stuff come out my head. I think it gives the vibes. Of course, it's not like bright green since my hair is super dark. Oh yeah, yeah. And my whole head is not painted, sprayed the same color. But as long as it gets the vision on the front, that's all that matters for real. Your girl is Joker. Oh. Yo. Okay. Let me put the jacket back. Well, hold on. Okay. This is the final look. Going to work. I'll record some little clips and stuff on my phone. Oh, I almost forgot about the silly string. Let me get my silly string. I was thinking about getting the air horn, but then I was like, nah. I should have. I really should have, for real. That would have been really funny. That would have been super funny. But yeah, they only had pink and blue, which is fine. But it would have been really cool if they had. If this was green and purple, oh yeah, it would have really set it off. But yeah, this is the look. What y'all think? Y'all like it? Because at first I was very hesitant about it, but now that it's on and I did the makeup and everything, I like it. I'll see y'all later.
Why so serious?